Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be picking up where I left off on Sunday, basically with just cleaning up and winterizing the different landscapes that are in my front yard space and just getting everything ready for the cooler temperatures. So what you're seeing right now is the next space that I'm wanting to work in. So I'm going to actually sorry for the loud music, you guys. So I'm actually going to be cutting back some of these plants here, and you can kind of see where a lot of them have actually, they just kind of went dormant a little bit. And all of these plants are actually perennials, so they come back every single year, which is great. So over here in the walkway space, I have basically mums planted on either side of the walkway. And these big plants here, I can't remember the name of them, but I'll be sure and post it in the top over here once I find the name of these plants. But yeah, so just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick close-up. And y'all, that clicking noise is my neighbor next door to me. They're having their roof replaced, so I apologize in advance. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick close-up of what the space looks like at the moment. So one of the things I do want to start off with is I definitely want to pull up all this weed here and just kind of lay down a little bit more either cardboard, or I'll probably just do some X-board and just layer it and then put the rocks back on top. So that's the first thing I want to do, because you guys will notice out of this entire area, that's pretty much the only spot that really gets any weed. And you can kind of tell that here. Now granted, I might get a little bit here and there in the walkway space, and I do have some future plans for that walkway because I am going to be redoing it. But in the meantime, I do want to just add more X-board here just to kind of block off the weeds. So that is definitely the plan for this space. Now the only thing that I'm a little concerned about, and you guys can tell me in the comments what you think, I actually called my mom because I wanted to be sure that I was doing this correctly in terms of my mom's plant. And let me just show you what I mean. So with my mom's, if you look in them at the bottom to the root, you can see where they're already starting to sprout new plants. You see that? So it's pretty, it's fresh, it's green. And I'm just a little concerned, and it's like that for almost all of them actually. Look at that. And you can kind of see this one still even has a little bit of blooms on it. So my only concern with that, and again, y'all tell me because I'm not 100% sure, I don't want to, and I think it might be okay, but I was worried about breaking off all of these sticks, all of the dead portions of it, and then having the green part of it, the fresh new growth, exposed to the cold temperatures, because it hasn't gotten cold here in South Carolina yet. I mean, we've had some nights where it dropped down to the 20s, but today, for example, the high is literally 71. I think it was 72 degrees for the high today. So I don't want to be so quick and cut these back, and then a really strong or a really cold frost comes through and kill it at the roots. So that's my only concern. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Is it okay to go ahead and just cut it back? Because y'all, I don't have all the answers. Let me just say that, okay? I need you guys' assistance too. But now with these here, these are fine. I'm definitely going to cut these back. There's nothing in there because I checked. There's no new growth in there. I'm going to go ahead and cut those back really, really low. Yeah, and honestly, the mulch in this area still looks fresh and pretty new, because if y'all might recall, I actually just replaced the mulch in this space. I want to say it was like in September, October maybe. So the mulch still looks pretty good over here. I just really want to tackle the weed. I want to cut back these big plants here that have basically gone dormant. So basically just cutting these back. I'm going to actually clean out this little area here as well. You can kind of see how bad that looks. So definitely cleaning this out. And yeah, I don't know. I might hold off a little bit on these mums until until you guys tell me what your thoughts are. But if it was up to me, I'll cut everything back right now. But I don't want to be in such a hurry and be so quick to move and then kill my mums when a really, you know, a really strong killing frost comes through. So that's where I'm at. So let me know in the comments, you guys. Tell me what you think, what your thoughts are. And I'm gonna go ahead and get just want to show you guys my progress so far, and let's keep this ball rolling. All right, y'all, so here's what I've done. I've cut down or cut back all of these big bushy plants that were here. Unfortunately, I didn't have my shears, couldn't find them, so I had to use the scissors, which made it just a tad bit more difficult, but not too bad. So we got that done. It's starting to look great already, you guys. Already it's starting to look good. All right, so we got that trim back. So the other thing I want to go ahead and do now, because I'm waiting to figure out what we want to do with the mums. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to kind of make this a Wednesday video. So then that way that'll give you guys time to comment and let me know what I should do about this, about the mums, whether I should cut them back or just leave them until we're completely clear of any type of killing frost. So that's what we'll do, and then we'll finish it up on Sunday. So yeah, so what I want to do, because I still got a little bit of daylight, I'm going to go ahead and get started with clearing out these weeds here and moving back these rocks, and then just adding a layer or a few layers of the X board. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and get started on doing right now. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, y'all, so I've already cleared out all the weeds in that little space. The only thing I need to do now is just add some layers of the X board to protect it against the weeds. But before I do that, I noticed the other day that my gutters are clogged with leaves. So right quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and clear out the one in the front of the house because they are calling for rain tomorrow. So I don't want any problems there. So let me go ahead and clear that out right quickly. And if I have time tonight, I'll go ahead and add the X board to the landscape area with the rocks. If not, that'll just be in Sunday's video. So let's go. And just to show you guys what I was talking about, you can kind of see here. Get over here a little bit. You can see that little area where it's just clogged, completely clogged with leaves. So I need to clear that out. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, y'all, so I just finished cleaning out the gutter in the front yard. So thank God that's done because that rain is coming through tomorrow. And the last thing I need is for it to get clogged up. And then we start to have roof problems. So trying to avoid those type of problems. So it's pretty late, or it looks pretty late. So I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to finish adding the weed barrier to that landscape. So we'll just pretty much, finish that on Sunday. And then by Sunday, we should be ready to show the final look of that particular landscape. Everything should be done by then. But in the meantime, you guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys on Sunday for, I guess, part 3, ain't it? Because this should make part 2. Okay, y'all. So I'll see you guys on Sunday. Have a wonderful and blessed week. Bye-bye.